It's Penny and the Professor. What's new?
What's new?
What's new with you? When Penny has a question, the Professor has an answer. She likes to help out everyone. That curious penguin asks all the right questions to help us all learn right along. It's Penny and the Professor. It's Penny and the Professor. Here's Penny.
Hi kindergartners! So we've been learning a little bit about spring and winter on Maple Hill Farm, and I was just wondering what comes after spring? Do you guys know? So we've got winter, spring, summer. Yeah, so we've got winter, spring, summer. And on our chart, we're gonna add a couple more sentences for our repeated language. So we already have winter, so you can just do this, cold winter. Oh, maybe we don't have winter yet. No, we started with spring and summer. So we have spring, and we have summer, and now we're gonna add, I think this time we're gonna add fall, which is where, here, let me move this book. So you're gonna take your one arm and use it as like a branch and just wipe the leaves off, like the leaves are falling off the branch. That's the sign for fall or autumn. And then the last one would be winter. And you're just gonna be cold like this, winter, winter. So it would be like, here we go, oh, seasons of the year. And then here comes the spring, here comes the summer, here comes the fall, here comes the winter. All right, let's see if we can do all of that together. You ready? I'll say it and you echo me, okay? So I'm gonna have Penny sit here and watch so she can see all the motions, how we do it. Cassie's gonna be here too. Cassie, why don't you sit over there? All right, here we go. So this is how it goes. I'll do it, then you do it. Here we go, oh. Good job. Seasons of the year. Good job. And then we're gonna say, here comes the spring. Good. Here comes the summer. Good. Here comes the fall. Good. And here comes the winter. Perfect. All right. So Cassie wants to know what is happening on Maple Hill Farm during all of the seasons. And we have only learned about spring and winter. So I think we're going to have to look at the other two seasons. I think we should start. What's that, Penny? Hold on, Penny has a question. I guess that's her job to ask us questions. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a good question. So Penny said she doesn't quite understand what is a season. And maybe you're having that same question too. So let's talk a little bit about that. A season happens during different times of the year. And what usually happens is there's a change in the weather throughout the year. So for example, there's four of them. There's 4 divisions throughout the year, and one is kind of hotter and summerier, that's summer. And then one's cold and freezing, that's winter. And then you've got the 2 transitional seasons between the hot, and the cold that are kind of in between hot and cold. So fall is the transition from hot to cold, and then spring is the transition from cold back to hot. So it's like a big circle of winter, spring, summer, and fall. So that's what a season is. A season is a different division of the year marked by the weather changing throughout the year. Does that help a little bit? Yeah, okay, good. So since we're gonna learn about season, we'll add that to our vocab wall. So I'll add the word season up on our vocab wall. And I want you guys to think about the other song that we learned a long time ago. Do you guys remember when we learned, let's see, here it goes. 4 seasons in a year, I can name all 4, do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So we learned that one in our class, and I think we could practice that again because then we can name all 4 seasons really easily. So let's try that one again. Here we go. You repeat after me. 4 seasons in a year. Okay, you do it. Good job. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Now you. Good job. Let's get ready and say them all. Okay, let's get ready. Good job. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Now you. Good job, boys and girls. So that's all 4 seasons, and it changes throughout the year. But to answer Cassie's question really well, we're going to need to look at the rest of the book, I think. We haven't read the whole book. So we're going to listen to some details that might help us know more about what's happening in the summer on Maple Hill Farm. So your job now is to listen to the next 3 videos. So you're going to have June, July, and August on the summer in Maple Hill Farm, and just listen to what kind of details might tell us what's happening on the summer in Maple Hill Farm. You don't have to turn in an assignment for this one. It's just listening and paying attention. All right, we'll see you guys real soon.